akong boyfriend. Anak dito kami na. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, mayong buntag, Burns J here, and I'm done with my gym. By the way, you say hi to my coach. Hi, Coach Marlon. Yes, and we're done with legs today. And after my gym workout, nakoy adtuan because I know makatabang pagyapon siya sa akong active lifestyle. So yeah, so once again, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for liking my FB page. That's BERNSJ, that's Burns J. So ito na kong SkinRev guys, and nara siya sa ubos sa akong gym dito sa Uptown area. I'm so excited because today I'll be having the sauna, and after sauna maligo ko, and then after ligo is carbon laser therapy sa office. And tanaw pa natin kung sa pagkakatong mabuhat karong adlaw. So yeah, we're here at SkinRev. Yeah, here. Yeah, hi SkinRev. So let's get inside. Yeah, we're here at SkinRev, and looking for the manager. Manager, what's the manager? Hello, manager. Yeah, hi, the manager here, Miss Maridan Rivera. Yeah, she's single.
You'll have your sauna. After that, you'll have your fermentation.
Before na mo proceed sa sauna, guys, no, i-tour sa mo sa SkinRev. So yeah, tanaw gani. Tour ta mo ah. This is the front desk, and these are the katong chair kung asa pwede mo magpa-pedicure and foot spa. They have beds here. Gahabutang po like eyelashes diri. Yeah. It's fully air conditioned para komportable ta sa atong experience. And sulusot ta diri, na diri dapit ang the bathtub over there. Yeah, I will try this. Murag ipainit naman ata nila ni. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Perfect. And then para asa gani siya diri ma'am nga area. For this area is for the carbon laser therapy and rev light. Yeah. So dili lang mga towels, and tagad ko lang towel, and then later siguro tagad ko nila og bathrobe. So yeah. So magsaw na sa ako guys ha. Murag dili na ko pili sulod ang camera, siguro sulod no kay isod ko naguba po nito camera. So since mag-sauna ko, they will be preparing the things that you'll need for the sauna experience. So tagaan kanila og bathrobe. Yeah, I think the bathrobe is here, a towel, and then the shorts, and then they will provide you slippers. So kung ka lang pwede mag-tapis. Oh my god! Ito na ko. Mag-class ako, mag-bathrobe sa ako, hindi para dili my nose. Ayan dito mag-ili sa itong short, o diba? Bongga itong bathrobe dili, kaya na ay marami royalty ba? O diba? Natin siya CDO, SkinRev. So, magtapis na ta. Pag magtapis, pero kailangan mo itamuagi sa process. Mugin sa itong process din. You will wear your shorts para na kayo magamit sa sauna. Okay? So, ano siya? Yes! Oh my gosh! Nag-wear ko sa shorts. So muna ni siya. Ako lang sa i-discuss sa inyo ang mga benefits of sauna. Saunas improve cardiovascular performance. Ikaduha, saunas aid in recovery after intense physical activity. Saunas relax muscles and soothe aches or pains in both muscles and joints. Ikatulo, saunas or sauna, we're gonna social, kung hindi bahalang adjust it, amo may nailukar. Saunas or saunas flush toxins. It also reduces incidences of Alzheimer's by 65%. Grabe na giningat research ba, no? Also, sauna relieves stress. It also induces a deeper sleep. Can help fight illness. Sauna cleanses the skin. Saunas burn calories. Oh, di ba? So, pag umanong lapang diha, pag sauna gani, di ba, burn rin siya mong ipagkaon. Char. Saunas bring out recreational and social benefits. And last but definitely not the least, one good thing I like about sauna is it feels good. So, bawal ang cellphone, bawal ang gadget sa sulod sa sauna, o bawal po ninyo makita ang akong skin. Yung magbobo ko tanang karon, bahala na. Ito eh. So, unsa kinang ideal temperature yun sa sauna?
60.
60 degrees Celsius. So,
And then you'll stay inside the
I'll stay
sauna for 20 minutes.
20 minutes. O, diba? So magkita-kita na later. Bye! Huh! So, may sauna diyan. Kaya init pa rin kayo. Diyos ko. Oh, sabi ko. Sauna is best experience with your friends, with your trato, with family members. So, let's proceed na sa shower. So, come on. Init yung tubig. Oo, nag-aso-aso. Mauba. Yun ka na kita nag-sauna. Init ko din ang tubig. Babe. Sabonis ako, babe. Babe. Shampoois ako, babe. Hello, babe. Wala man ko iuyam din ay. So, ako na lang. Independent, babe. Bye. Oh my gosh, it feels so fresh. And after this, I will go to carbon facial. Yeah, so see ya. Tanawan akong boyfriend. Ako'y pakita sa inyo akong boyfriend. Paano dito kamera ha? 1, 2, 3. Wala man ko'y boyfriend. Parang di ko kaya bumitaw. Fine. Inis ako. Bye.
How was your experience so far?
Well, so far, I already had my sauna. I went to the bathtub para maligo. And, you know, I have someone here with me. Like, oh my gosh, he's here. I say hi to my friends. Parang di ko kaya bumitaw. So yeah. So now that we're done, we're done. Auto na ko sa akong session for carbon facial. So let's go. Hi. So this is the area. So plaster na ko, no? And this is my first time to try carbon facial. And you might be wondering kung unsa mga benefits ani, no? So, akong i-discuss sa inyo ang benefits sa carbon facial. Carbon peel is a revolutionary laser treatment that is completely painless with minimal to zero downtime. It is highly beneficial for people with oily skin, blackheads, enlarged pores, dull skin, and acne on the face or body. It is also an excellent way to exfoliate and refresh your skin, providing an instant refreshed appearance and leaving skin feeling softer, smoother, and firmer. A layer of liquid carbon is applied on the skin where it penetrates deep into the pores. Laser light is highly attracted to the carbon particles, and when the laser is passed over the area, it destroys the carbon, taking dead skin cells. So, one of the benefits sa itong carbon facial. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Lini.
Laban.
Ready na, sir?
Laban, go. So, tabo,
Mag-facial sa to, sir, ha?
Okay. Usan siya?
Mag-cleanse sa to sa ilang face.
So, cleanse sa face. Clean.
Before na mag-carbon.
Yes. Bisag ka ko naligo?
Yes, sir.
Mas ayun sa i-focus ang bagang sa ilong man. Lagi ka, Mads. Bastos ka, Mads. So, ayan. pauga yun siya.
Okay na. Ogas at sila. I-dry sa anatang carbon mask.
Go.
Pero sir,
Yeah. Kasi, gamay lagi kayo nga marag pinch git sa skate. Pero you're good. Uy.
subok na ako din.
Okay na ta? Ba? So after the carbon nga katong thing, carbon tuk 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 tuk, carbon laser thing, i-roller na dayon na yung face dahil na nga crystal. So yeah. So after the crystal roller, mag-apply na dayon ng moisturizer para pang pa-moisture sa imong skin. That's it. And we're good.
Okay na ta, sir.
Okay. Okay. Since nakoy dako nga bugas diri no. So ako siyang ipa intralesional injection. So yeah, mani siya oh. Amo to siya. Oh, yun. So yeah. Injection din para mahuman akong kalbaryo. Have it guys, I had sauna session. I had my bathtub time. And I had carbon facial. Since gibugas ko, nagpa-IL, like intralesion injection, para mamatay yun ang bugas, no? And, oh my God. Grabe nga pamper time, ginikalawang lawa ba? And by the way, guys, before I go, mag-inform na ko sa inyo that they have a My Beauty program. So, pinaagi ani, dili makita ang mga treatments, monitoring nila ni Sylvie, and then this will also remind you that you need to go back to your treatment or sessions kay para ma-comply gini mo ang mga necessary nga mga procedure, and then nakita po din mga resulta. So they have a My Beauty program, or they have a loyalty card. ang ilang loyalty card is more, I think, puno ni mo ni ang 5 ka spaces, and then 6th na session is free. So they have a loyalty card, and they also have gift voucher. So ang gift voucher, you can give this to your friends, especially pag may mga occasions, so birthdays, or Mother's Day, Father's Day. So na sila yung gift voucher. Dito lang ni mo ko, diri lang ini mo on sa front desk sa SkinRev ko, diba? And by the way guys, once again, I would like to inform all of you that SkinRev Ayumi is located at VLC Towers here at the Uptown CDO, and they also have other branch at Limketkai Mall. Thank you so much, and guys, thank you so much for the likes, for the comments, and kato mga gusto mag-suggest kung gusto na ko i-try, message lang or comment your advices below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like my Facebook page for more updates. So see you around.